Hey everyone, today we will show you how to add multiple locations in your Shopify store. Setting up multiple locations helps manage inventory, fulfill orders efficiently, and keep operations organized. Let's go through it together. On the Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. You can find it in the lower left corner. Once there, go to Locations, which you will see on the left side. Here, we can add our locations. Click on Locations. Once we reach this page, click here and enter a name like Second Branch. Then click Done. Next, add the address. Enter the address here. Fill in everything as needed, then click Save. We can also add regions. For example, select United States and enter the states. Once done, click Save. Now we can add another location. If we want to add more, we just need an active plan. With an active plan, we can add as many locations as we need. Here, we can see our store locations. For example, Second Branch. We can add another one whenever needed. Just keep adding as long as we have an active plan. That's how we add multiple locations in our Shopify store. With the right setup, we can manage inventory and improve our fulfillment process with ease.